Welcome. If you want to connect HuaweiSoundX to your AI Live application, then you have to grab your phone, like I did, and then move to the AI Live application. And we have to click right here on this plus in the right upper corner. So just click simply. Okay, as you can see, it's not that simply. Okay, never mind, it's some kind of a lag, I don't know. And as you can see here, we get our device. And we can easily connect, but if you have any problem and your phone cannot find this device, you can add it manually by clicking right here. I'm not sure if it is a problem with my smartphone or with, this application. Let's choose our SoundX. You can find it also by typing here SoundX, and then we got the instruction that we have to take off power supply. So let's make it, and after a few seconds we have to turn on power supply back. So let's go. Okay, once we did it, we have to wait until it turns on, and after that we have to press the mute button for a few seconds. Okay, right now click and hold. And right now our indicator changed to the green to the orange color. So click here to I have completed the steps, then click next. Right now it is scanning, and as you can see it's ready to pair. So click next. Right now we have to connect to the same Wi-Fi as on our smartphone. So let me do this. All you have to do is just to select here this pull and type password. The network is right here. So click on the marker, then tap next. We have to enter 4 digits PIN.
Please enter the following digits: 8 4 5 5.
Then click here. Click OK. And as you can see right now, we are connected. So we can go here and we can edit other things like volume. We can change Wi-Fi, go for the audiocast or firmware updates. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!